look up where the starlight sings and whisper dreams on silver wings. Then suddenly you're standing near, soft as dusk and crystal clear.
The night grows deep, the world turns cold, but still your warmth is all I hold. I don't expect, I just believe that love like this will never leave.
Come with the breeze, just follow the light. Let morning rest on your shoulders so right. Even if it takes a while, I'll wait here with a quiet smile. Oh, why won't you come with all your love? So brave, so slight. I send my hopes with winds that roam, to touch your steps and lead you home. Like morning sun upon your skin, I long to let the light begin. Come with the breeze, just follow the light. Let morning rest on your shoulders so right. Even if it takes a while, I'll wait here with a quiet smile. Oh, why won't you come with all your love? So brave, so slight.
If you could hear this heart tonight, you know it beats with glowing light. For you alone I stay, I sing, and hold the stars in everything.
Come with the breeze, just follow the light. Let morning rest on your shoulders so right. Even if it takes a while, I'll wait here with a quiet smile. Oh, maybe you'll know this love was meant to make you glow. Walked in and I knew right then what love could be, how it begins. You showed me how to care, how to try, how to fix my shirt and meet your eyes. You taught me charm, quiet kind, a smile that draws in every mind.
Coapilla.
And when my gaze got lost in you, even sound fell into something new. Your laugh, it trickled like a stream, washing over my quiet dream. Every night I'd let it play, your whispered voice.
Ay, hace miles de años que no.
Lead the way, I'd stay on the line,
Ahorita vamos a encontrar
just hearing you, telling stories in midnight hues.
William.
Let the hours slip away unseen, hooked on every word you lure to weave. They say a fool would rush in flames, but I dove in when you spoke my name.